Psychology says people who treat their birthday like an ordinary day aren't cold, distant, or ungrateful. In fact, their mind works in a way most people never pay attention to, and the reasons behind this simple behavior reveal a deeper side of their personality. 1. They don't chase validation. A lot of people enjoy birthdays because they love the attention, the calls, the wishes, and the celebration. But some individuals don't depend on external approval to feel valued. They don't need a special day to feel important. Their confidence comes from within. Psychologists call this low social dependency, a key trait of emotionally self-sufficient people. 2. Their mind resists forced social expectations. Birthdays often come with invisible pressure. Act happy, celebrate, host friends, smile for the pictures. But for certain personalities, this feels like emotional performance. Their nervous system prefers genuine, natural interactions over socially forced excitement. So treating the day normally brings them more peace. 3. They use the day for introspection, not noise. According to psychologists, birthdays activate a deep mental process called self-evaluation. Some people think about life's direction more intensely, not out of sadness, but awareness. Instead of partying, their brain shifts toward reflection. Am I growing? What's changed? What needs to change? A quiet day often feels more meaningful than a loud celebration. 4. They don't crave the spotlight. It's not insecurity. It's simply the way their social wiring works. Being the center of attention creates mild internal alertness. Everyone watching, expecting, reacting. A normal, calm day feels more real and less performative. 5. They value authenticity over tradition. For these people, a genuine conversation on any random day means more than a birthday post or a routine celebration. Psychology calls this quality over ritual behavior. They care about connection, not calendar traditions. 6. Their emotional system likes stability. Some personalities avoid emotional highs because big peaks usually bring emotional dips afterward. By keeping their birthday simple, they maintain balance. It's not emotional detachment. It's emotional self-regulation. So if you're someone who treats your birthday like it's just another day, you're not unusual at all. Your psychology leans toward independence, depth, and emotional balance, traits that often belong to highly self-aware individuals. If you want more psychology videos that explain your behavior in a way nobody ever has, hit subscribe right now. The next video might reveal a part of your personality you've never noticed.